Hey guys, my name is Wade. I'm a 4th Dan black belt in Taekwondo. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on basic form 1 for white belts. Although I'm just getting started on YouTube, I plan on doing more kicking videos as well as poomsae, weapons, and just overall Taekwondo workouts. So on that, let's go ahead and get started with basic form 1. Okay, now for step by step. First thing we're going to do is we're going to step with our left foot and left hand down block, followed by a right step and a right hand punch. Now we're going to take that right hand, go all the way around to the other side, and right hand down block, step, left hand punch. Take that front foot, step to the middle, and down block. We're going to do 3 punches. Now on your third punch, we're going to yell. After you yell, take your back foot and we're going to turn all the way around and do a left hand down block, followed by a right hand punch. Same thing as before, we're going to go to the other side, down block, and step punch. We're going to repeat that steps in the middle, stepping to the back, down block, and we're going to have our 3 punches. Again, make sure you yell on that third punch. After our yell, we're going to turn our back foot all the way around, down block, step punch. Same thing as last time, back around, down block, step, punch, and yell. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. As well, if you have suggestions or comments on what else I could do, like other poomsae videos, more tutorials, comment down below what you guys like to see. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching one more time, and I'll see you guys next time.